Hello students. Here you can see I am going to teach you one another project, one another form, how to make a login form or any other form in Visual Studio. Means I am going to teach you how to make a real life project. So for that you need to first of all choose a console application. This is the prompt for console application. So your prompt will come like this. First of all you need to go through all the things. See here Solution Explorer, and here you have recently used projects, data lake analysis, storage accounts. Then you have to be familiar about what are the tools are there in console application Visual Studio prompt. You can see my project is almost opening, preparing solution. A prompt will come where we will get a pre-designed format. Unless in Notepad or any editor we use to design a form. You can see we have using system namespace console application 1. The name of the class is class program. The name of the class is program. Then this is the main. I have made you understand what is Java public static void main method. In under main method we used to write the code that we have to execute. Then we here you can see it is written console application hello world. So we will select this all and we will delete it as we used to do in BlueJ, as we used to do. So here I have a code. I have copied this code from a site, and you can see, and few part I have edited, few code is of my own. I have edited few parts. So for example, if I have to this part we need to delete. Our code should start from using system namespace. You can see now there is no error. Now we will execute this program. This is the sign of debug. We need to debug this program. Let's see what is happening when we click on debug. Here we need to click on start debugging. Unless in Java we need to compile the code and then we need to execute the code. First we need to compile the code, after that we used to run the program. You can see, but here we need to debug the code. Build started project console application configuration debug any CPU. Build started. Now we need to test the project. You can see the process is still going on. Our page is compiling. On the back end we can see what is going on. This is the prompt of Visual Basic which comes like this. So you can see there were built-in error. Would you like to continue and run the last successful build? Yes. Means we have error. Would you like to see? We have a set of error. We need to rectify these errors. So this kind of error you can get, and you have to be that much efficient to encounter these errors. The type of namespace, you can see users could not be found and or missing. We need to declare whatever variable we are using, we need to declare here. So after removing all the error, I will show you how to execute this program. Thank you very much.